We have vitamins. Vitamins are the organic compounds. They are required in the very small quantity in our body. They are necessary for normal metabolism and health. They are found widely distributed in food. These are divided into two groups. First is fat soluble vitamins, then water soluble vitamins. Fat solubles are A, D, E, and K, and water soluble are vitamin B complex and C. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E, and K. They are present in food containing fats. The body absorbs these vitamins as it does dietary fats. It does not dissolve in water. And vitamin A retinol, this was the first fat soluble vitamin to be discovered. It has a number of important functions in our body. Vitamin A is found only in the animal foods, mainly as retinol. Plants provide vitamin A for animals in the form of orange yellow pigments called carotenoids. The chief source in human nutrition is beta carotene, which the body converts the vitamin A in the intestinal mucosa during absorption. The conversion is partial and varies from 25 to 50%. Vitamin A plenty is stored in the liver. It helps the body to tide over periods of shortage. The daily requirement is 600 to 700 mg. Liver oil of shark, halibut, cod, and sawfish are some of the richest known sources of vitamin A. Signs and symptoms of deficiency of vitamin A are dryness of lining of eyelids and eyeballs, night blindness, growth failure, change in the texture of skin. Then we have the functions. Vitamin A plays the following functions: generation of the light sensitive pigment, rhodopsin in the retina of the eye. It helps in the growth and differentiation of cell. It provides defense against infection. That is, it promotes the immunity. It promotes the growth of bones. If there is overdose of vitamin A, it leads to headache, nausea, vomiting, irritability. The symptoms subside gradually on stoppage of intake of vitamin A. Next, we have vitamin D, sometimes called the sunshine vitamin, because the body is able to convert a precursor present in the skin to vitamin D in the presence of sunlight. Sunshine vitamin. Vitamin D activity is shown by a group of chemical substances called the sterols, which are wax-like substances. These compounds are insoluble in water but are soluble in fats. They are stable to heat, acids, alkalis, and oxidation. One of the compounds, 7-dehydrocholesterol, which is present in the skin, it can be converted to vitamin D on exposure to sunlight. Vitamin D is found in animal fats such as eggs, butter, cheese, fish, liver oils. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets and teeth formation. In children and osteomalacia in adults, its overdose causes irritation, nausea, vomiting, and constipations. Vitamin D functions are that it helps in the absorption of calcium and phosphorus from digestive system. Absorptions of calcium and phosphorus from digestive system. It helps in the deposition of calcium and phosphorus in bones. Vitamin E is a group of 8 fat soluble compounds called the tocopherols and tocotrienols. They are found in nuts, egg yolk, wheat germ, whole cereal, milk, and butter. Vitamin E has oxidant properties. It is believed to prevent the oxidation of vitamin A and keratin in the digestive tract. It regulates the rate of oxidation of foods inside the body. Vitamin E is widely distributed in the foods. Even the cheapest kind of cereal diet contains the vitamin. It is unlikely that any deficiency of vitamin E could arise. Marked and serious deficiency of other nutrients would occur long before the lack of vitamin E is felt. Neurological abnormalities such as ataxia and visual disturbances may occur if the deficiency is severe. Recently, vitamin E has been shown to protect against coronary artery disease. Recommended daily intake is 10 mg for men and 8 mg for women. But this should be increased in high fat diets. Vitamin K is essential for the formation of prothrombin by the liver. Prothrombin is a normal constituent of the blood. It helps in the clotting of the blood on contact with air. Deficiency of vitamin K prolongs clotting time. It may result in excessive bleeding after an injury. Human babies do not have reserve of vitamin K at birth in many hospitals. Therefore, the routine practice to give vitamin K to the expectant mother. It prevents excessive bleeding at childbirth. The normal formation of vitamin in the intestinal tract is disturbed by the use of sulfa drugs. Absorption is dependent upon the presence of bile salts in the small intestine. The normal daily requirement is 1 gram per kg body weight. Then next we have water soluble vitamins. Consist of a large number of compounds. These include ascorbic acid, and the B complex vitamins. Water soluble vitamins are absorbed quickly in the body and the amount not utilized is excreted. Acid and the B complex vitamin. Water soluble vitamins are absorbed quickly in the body and the amount utilized is excreted through the urine. Adequate amounts should before be supplied in the daily diet. Some of the water soluble vitamins are partly lost in cooking. This factor has to be kept in mind while meeting their requirements. Then we have vitamin B complex. A number of compounds have been identified and grouped together under this heading. This is a group of water soluble vitamins. This promotes the activity of the enzymes at different stages in the chemical breakdowns of nutrients to release energy. Vitamin B1, also known as thiamine, it is present in the form of thiamine hydrochloride. It is very soluble in water. It is rapidly destroyed by heat in alkaline or neutral solution. This vitamin is present in pulses, nuts, oilseeds, milks, eggs, fish, meat, and green leafy vegetables. The main source of thiamine in the Indian dietary is cereals, but refining of cereals reduces thiamine content, with most of the thiamine being lost in polishing. Parboiling of rice helps to conserve thiamine. To conserve thiamine. Thiamine, being water soluble, is also lost when water is in which cereals or pulses are cooked is discarded. Long cooking also destroys thiamine. The daily requirements of 0.8 to 1 milligram, and the body stores only about 30 milligram. Deficiency of vitamin B1 causes beriberi diseases. It mainly occurs in those people who use polished cereals. In beriberi, there are more chances of infection due to reduced immunity, stunted growth in children. There would be severe muscle wasting, degeneration of motor, sensory, and autonomic nerves. That is, it causes polyneuritis. Polyneuritis in beriberi. Next we have the vitamin B2 riboflavin. It is a water soluble yellow pigment. It is less soluble than thiamine. It is more stable to heat, especially in acid solutions. When insoluble vitamin is destroyed on exposure to sunlight, for example, prolonged exposure of milk to direct sunlight, it may decrease the riboflavin content of milk considerably. Milk is a rich source of riboflavin, so the products derived from milk, such as yogurt, buttermilk, powder, and concentrated milk. Lack of riboflavin affects the eye, skin, and nerves. The eyelids become rough, the eye becomes sensitive to bright sunlight. This condition is called photophobia. Fear of light. Skin changes are found around the area of the mouth, on the lips, tongue, and nose. The lips become inflamed and cracked. The tongue becomes sore. Sometimes the tongue can get swollen. The deficiency symptoms can be corrected by administering riboflavin. Riboflavin combines with proteins in the body and forms a number of important enzymes concerned with several oxidation processes inside the cell. It is thus essential for the growth of all animal and the plant life, including microorganisms. The daily requirement is 1.1 to 1.3 milligram, and small amounts are stored in body. 0.60 milligram of riboflavin per 100 calories is recommended. Then we have folic acid. Folate is synthesized by the bacteria in the large intestine. Folic acid is found in the liver, kidney, fresh green leafy vegetables and yeast. It is absorbed in the small intestine. The daily requirement is 200 milligram. Only a small amount of folic acid is stored in the body. Its deficiency is evident within short time. It is essential for DNA synthesis. This manifests particularly in rapidly dividing tissues such as blood and folate deficiency, therefore leads to a type of megaloblastic anemia. It is reversible with folate supplements. Megaloblastic anemia. Reversible with the folate supplements. Its deficiency at conception and during early pregnancy is linked to an increased incidence of spina bifida. Niacin nicotinic acid. Niacin, the term which includes both nicotinic acid and nicotinamide, is another vitamin of the vitamin B complex and it is very soluble in water. This is the one preferred therapeutically because it has no side reactions. Both products are stable in air and are not affected by heat, acid, or alkali. The source of niacin are sheep liver, groundnuts, fresh fruits, cereals, pulses, brewer's yeast. The main functions of niacin are it acts as coenzymes involved in respiration and the breakdown of glucose to produce energy. Niacin works in close association with the coenzymes that contain riboflavin and is necessary for growth. Next we have vitamin B6, also known as pyridoxine. This is found in egg yolk, peas, beans, soya beans, yeast, meat and liver. The daily requirement is about 1.2 to 1.4 milligram. The dietary deficiency is rare, although certain substances, example alcohol and anti-tuberculous drugs, can induce deficiency of vitamin B6. It is synthesized by bacteria of the GI tract. It is stored in liver, muscle and brain. Other sources include salmon, yeast, tomatoes, yellow corn, spinach, whole grain products, liver, yogurt, etc. The deficiency symptoms caused by vitamin B6 are dermatitis of eyes, nose, and mouth. Other symptoms are retarded growth and nausea. The functions of vitamin B6 are essential coenzyme of normal amino acid metabolism and triglyceride metabolism. It assists the production of circulating antibody. Then we have vitamin B12 or cyanocobalamin. Only vitamin B12 contains cobalt. Absorption from GI tract depends on HCl. Its interesting factor is secreted by gastric mucosa. Sources of vitamin B12 are liver, kidney, milk, eggs, cheese, meat, etc. Its deficiency causes pernicious anemia, neuropsychiatric abnormalities, that is ataxia, memory loss, weakness, personality and mood changes and abnormal sensations and impaired osteoblast activity. Its functions are act as coenzyme necessary for red blood cell formation, formation of amino acids, methionine, entrance of some amino acids into Krebs cycle and manufacture of choline. The normal daily requirement is 1.5 microgram. Vitamin B5 pantothenic acid. Stored primarily in liver and kidney. Some of it is also produced by bacteria of GI tract. Other sources include kidney, liver, yeast, green vegetables, cereal. The daily safe intake is 3 to 7 milligram. Its deficiency causes experimental deficiency. Tests indicate fatigue, muscle spasms, neuromuscular degeneration, insufficient production of adrenal steroid hormone. Its functions are constituent of coenzyme is essential for transfer of pyruvic acid into Krebs cycle. Conversion of lipids and amino acids into glucose, synthesis of cholesterol and steroid hormones. Vitamin B7 is biotin. By bacteria of GI tract, dietary sources include yeast, liver, egg. Its deficiency causes Mental depression, muscular pain, dermatitis, fatigue, nausea. The daily safe intake is 10 to 20. It is essential for conversion of pyruvic acid to oxaloacetic acid, synthesis of fatty acids and purines. Next we have ascorbic acid, which is vitamin C. Rapidly destroyed by heat, some of this vitamin is stored in glandular tissues and plasma. Sources of vitamin K are citrus fruits, tomatoes, green vegetables, etc. Its deficiency causes scurvy, anemia. Many symptoms related to poor connective tissue growth and repair, including tender, swollen gums, loosening of teeth, poor wound healing, bleeding, and growth retardation. Its functions are promotes many metabolic reactions, particularly protein metabolism, as coenzyme may combine with poisons, rendering them harmless until excreted. It works with antibodies, promotes wound healing, act as an oxidant, role in cancer prevention and under investigation. Daily recommended dose is 40 milligram.